Yo, what's going on, everybody? I haven't taken you guys out to the pool. It's been cold. It's the winter. We're in Florida. It's not as cold as in Jersey, but we're outside over here. I don't know if you guys can see,
The fuck?
because that's the way it'll move. And we got Haley over here.
You're
Here, we outside. Um, and yeah, it's been a while since I actually put in some vlog content. The last 3 videos have been just chart sessions. So, you know, me and Haley got the day together out in the pool. I don't even know what are we planning on doing?
today.
Yeah.
Uh,
Champion.
Jimin.
What?
Jimin.
Oh yeah, we do got at the gym. Damn, I wish we already did that.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, actually. I want a big meal.
And I want
Pause.
to take a picture of me.
I'm not gonna take a picture of you.
Why are you so mean to me? Hey, chat.
Chat, yo, chat.
Yo, chat. Don't you think it's so rude that Alex doesn't want to help me with the content I need to get for me and my job, even though I would help him with whatever he needs?
Um, if you guys understood the time it takes to help this girl, you would understand that why I don't want to. Damn, chat. Look at this. I'm over here talking chat. Yo, look at this chat. I long today. So we're actually negative 450 on the day. After losing, as you guys just saw. Can you guys see that? After you guys just saw my last 2 videos on a big winning streak, right? We're down 450. I longed. It's FOMC today. And we just longed too premature. Because now we long. I don't know if you guys can see my positions. You guys can see where I got stopped out. And then price is currently longing right now post FOMC. So not much you can do about it. We're only down 450. Within the last 3 videos, we're still up about 600. So we're good. You know, risk to reward. My next trade is going to make us more than 450 for sure. So, you know, risk to reward. We lose sometimes, just keep following the plan. And yeah, bro, just keep grinding. Even now, I'm still learning. Yeah, let's see what we get into. You want to leave it here and go cook?
After you take my pics first.
What's up, guys? So, you know, adding a little bit of talk to a video. Our last couple of videos have been straight chart sessions, which is really dope. We've been on a winning streak. But yeah, I just wanted to take this moment to kind of add, back a little bit of a vlog, a little bit of a talk session with you guys. Make it quick, not yap too much. But, I just want to make this video and kind of just tell you guys, yo, listen, get up and grind. Get up and grind, right? It's we're now almost February, right? If you wrote down any New Year's goals for yourselves, I hope you're executing them. I hope they're coming to fruition. I hope you are telling yourself that you are doing what you said you were going to do, which is lock in and do whatever your goal was for the year, right? It's easy to forget. It's easy to get motivated and, lose that sudden hunger that you had on January 1st, December 31st, December 30th, leading up into the new year. But I'm just here to tell you, yo, guys, take that risk, right? Fuck it. I'm telling you guys right now, take that biggest risk of your life that you don't know you should take and do it. Whether it be to the charts, whether it be at work, whether it be at your career, whether it be at the gym, whether it be with, a certain significant other, anything like that, or all of it, make sure you guys are taking that risk, right? I'll tell you guys a little bit from my personal experience, right? Getting up and moving to Florida without even ever visiting Florida. I just got up, packed all my stuff in a book bag in a suitcase, and I came to Florida, leaving everything else behind. And it was the best decision of my life. I truly feel like my life, the quality of life has improved. Being where I am, adapting to change, getting out of your comfort zone, which is what I really want to tell you guys: get out of your comfort zone, do things you don't want to, do things you want to do but you're scared to do, but you wouldn't normally do, and make it a thing that you do, right? It's a bar. Get out of your comfort zone. Do something out of the norm, against the grain, right? Because it's gonna help you grow, and I couldn't stress that enough. Again, I say it all the time in this channel, but moving here to Florida, to Miami, was the greatest thing I ever did so far, and I've only flourished. I've learned more. I've been grinding more. I've just been, I've been here. Now, I'm not telling you guys to do the same thing and make such a big move, but if it's something that you guys are pursuing, you guys are scared to do it. If you guys are scared to take that shot with a certain someone, do it. If you guys are scared to, indulge in trading itself and indulge in a new, learning something new or applying or even getting started, do it. Because the biggest thing that is worse than failing is truthfully not trying. And I know that sounds cliche. I know that sounds, oh, he's he's just saying what everybody says, but it truthfully is. It really is true, right? And it's kind of crazy because you sound so cliche saying things like these, but through life experience so far, man, um, you got to do it, right? You got to do that thing that you don't want to do. Get up, grind every single day. Apply it to the markets. Apply it to your life. Apply it to the gym. Apply it to real life scenarios, right? Just apply. Like, yo, never would I have thought that this was where I was gonna be. Like, I'm just out here. I'm just out here chilling on my balcony, man. Like, yo, this is crazy, bro. This is literally crazy, man. Got to be grateful for things like these, man. These are the things you should strive for. If you guys want to, man, it's not crazy to think that way, man. Don't let people think that you're crazy. I'm not here to give you more motivational speech and all that as if I made it, as if I'm living in some penthouse. But, man, I'm on my way, and I promise you that. I promise you that. Don't let anybody tell you that you sound crazy. People are going to tell you you're crazy. People are going to tell you to do something more secure. You guys chase that dream, even if it is the trading. If you guys don't even follow me for trading, man, just do it. Do it. Man, again, I don't have everything figured out, but I swear to you, I am on my way. I swear to God, I'm on my way, and I'm going to keep that energy every single time, and that's what you guys should do. Now, enough yapping, enough motivational yap. What I want to do is kind of talk to you guys about trading and, yeah, give you guys a quick little lesson on the charts. All right, so now that we're on the charts, right, I'm going to be going over a gem of a idea, right, of trading idea. This is going to be a 5-minute lesson real quick, so I really hope you guys clicked on this video and decided to watch this one, because I'm going to be showing you essentially the turtle soup setup that ICT teaches, right, in the most simplest of forms, right. You're going to be seeing how the market moves. Now, to understand turtle soup, you have to understand liquidity, right. You have to understand liquidity and why the market moves and what liquidity areas are there, right. And if you guys don't know any about that, again, I teach all this ICT concepts, and I also have a bunch of videos on YouTube that I probably literally titled liquidity lesson, right. Now, what is a turtle soup? A turtle soup essentially is a sweep of key levels, right. It's a sweep of key levels. So when you have a range within the market, right? When you have a range within the market, let's just say the market's moving like this, right? A lot of people are taught that this is a range and you should not trade ranges. But, in fact, you can actually yield a lot of, returns based on this setup and based off ranges, right? The reason being is because when price is in a range like this, price is accumulating orders, right? You can't just look at a range and go, okay, well, that's bad. I want a trending market. No, yes, a trending market is ideal, right? Trending market is ideal. But price, when it does, it's like accumulating orders. The market isn't just range for no reason. The market isn't a range because it's accumulating orders. With that being said, right, these are the orders that we have here, right? As you're going to see right here, orders, right? And orders, right? These are levels of buy side and sell side liquidity. Buy side, sell side. Orders are being filled in these levels, right? There are people putting in their buy stops and buy limits and trailed stop losses and so on and so forth, right? So when price is in the range, right, and prices are accumulating orders, it's not that you have step 1 of the turtle soup entry, but once you identified a key level, that's what you want to look for, right? These are key levels. And what you want to do is, when you're looking into a setup, and first of all, with context, this obviously has to do with a bias, right? When you go on the chart, this is, looking on the 4-hour, 1-hour time frame, right? But you must always have a bias, and I'm not going to be teaching you that. This is on the daily time frame, daily, 4-hour, weekly, right? Looking at where the market's going to go within the day. But when you're ready to execute, right, you want to take advantage of this setup because the setup is beautiful, right? The turtle soup setup is a sweep of key levels over here, right? So let's say price over here is, in a range, right? Price is accumulating orders. Let's say in a bullish scenario, all right? And this is a key thing, right? In a bullish scenario over here, what do I always say? Before price pushes up, price is going to push down, right? Price is going to push down, and the reason why is because price is now hunting liquidity. The markets move because of 3 reasons. Generate liquidity, hunt liquidity, reach equilibrium, right? So price is now hunting out all those levels. So if you, on your daily bias, that we're not going to talk about right here, right, are bullish, look for price to sell first into some levels, right? Into some sell side and buy side generated buy side, right? So if you're a bullish, you're most likely going to be taking out sell side, right, to the downside. And guess what happens, right? A lot of traders here are going to be getting in short. A lot of traders are going to be putting in their stop losses, stop limits, sell stops. I just butchered that, but and you guys know what I mean, right? Price is gonna raid all those stop losses, and then what's gonna happen once price has generated liquidity? Price is going to do this, and this is the turtle soup setup in a bullish scenario. Now, when you're looking at it from the opposite standpoint, right? Take advantage of these accumulating markets, right? Of the ranging markets, right? Because this is actually liquidity being built up. Now, in a bullish market, right? I mean, in a bearish market, same exact thing. But instead of pushing short before you go long, it's gonna be you're gonna push long before you go short. Price is going to raid that liquidity, and then price is going to deliver it into your level. It's going to deliver to your level, right? Now, this is the basic simple setup of the turtle soup. Is one of my most profitable setups. It's actually one of two of my setups in my playbooks. I love it. And you know, when you really know how to market, you really know how to have patience, and you pair these up with fair value gaps and PD arrays, which again I teach in my mentorship, you know, you can yield beautiful results. And actually, if you look on my last two videos, actually, two of these setups, right? This one and this one actually dealt with the turtle soup setup, right? So let's go over here. You can see over here that price on Thursday creates a previous daily. This is another key level, right? Not just a buy side, but this is a previous daily high. Price does 1 cup 9 a.m. Look at the time, 9 a.m. on Friday. Price is going to break above, so you can kind of take this range, right? Price is going to break above. You can see the wick, take out buy side. In this case, it's a previous daily high, so it's a high yielding setup, and price displaces to the downside aggressively. Now, don't get me wrong, you will not see moves like this. This was the market crash a couple of days ago because of the Chinese AI news that came out, the new Chinese AI company, DeepSeek, I believe it's called, and you know the stock market dropped, and this was a crazy drop that happened the other day for 4,000 points. Actually, I heard this was the biggest drop in Nvidia in history ever, right? So you can see what happens at a level like this. Look at the market here, right? This is 9 a.m. candle. Price before session pulls up and starts to range. What happens at 9 a.m.? Price raids that sell side liquidity, that sell side low over here, and guess what? Price is going to displace higher to your level. Look over here, right? Price is in a range. This is from both sides. Price now, when market opens up at 9, right here, price displaces above, tags everybody out just like I'm showing you guys, and then price delivers to the downside, and then now it's sweeping out sell side to another turtle soup. This is the soup, right? This is the soup where price sweeps under. This is the soup up here. Boom, right here. Boom. And then price does what? Price displaces up. So this is a scenario in which you got two setups, right? You had a ranging market. Price raids all these buy side liquidity. Price drops. You could have shorted. And then what does price do? Well, price actually uses that sell side that was driven down here, right? And then price then starts to displace the other way, that way, right? That is a sweet little mini lesson on the turtle soup setup. Obviously, there's a bunch more context, but when you pair these up with key levels like the PDH plus fair value gaps, you're gonna have a beautiful, beautiful setup. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Wait till the next video on Friday. We have another banger coming. Deuces.